Now look at two questions on the Fibonacci sequence from the CAT. The first question even defines what a Fibonacci sequence is, right? It's the sum of previous two terms starting from the third term. So let's have a basic Fibonacci sequence which starts from 1 and 1. Then the third term is going to be 2, which is the sum of 1 plus 1. The fourth term is going to be 3, which is the sum of 1 and 2. The fifth term is going to be 5, the sum of 2 and 3, and so on. So the question gives us the difference in the squares of the 7th and the 6th terms. So let's call them as T7 and T6. So T7 square minus T6 square is equal to 5 and 7. Now, we know the breakup of a square minus b square, right? It's a plus b into a minus b. So this is going to be T7 plus T6 into T7 minus T6. Now the way Fibonacci is defined, right? T7 plus T6 has to be your next term T8, and the difference between T7 and T6 has to be the previous term, which is T5. Now this is equal to 5 and 7. Now the CAT brochure gave a solution to this, a unique solution, but technically, mathematically, if you're looking at a non-regular Fibonacci sequence, then there are more solutions. You can factorize 5 and 7 as 1 into 5 and 7. You can factorize it as minus 47 into minus 11. But the factorization that the CAT was looking at was 47 into 11. Right? And the higher number, 47, is basically your 8th term. And your lower number, 11, is your 5th term. So your series will look like this. 5th term, some terms A, B, C, D, whatever. And then the 5th term, 11. The 6th term is going to be, let's say, A. So the 7th term is going to be 11 plus A. And the 8th term, which should be 11 plus 2A, is actually 47. So from here we can find out that 2A is nothing but 36 and A is equal to 18. Right? So if A is 18, this term is 29. So 29 and 47, your 9th term is going to be 76. And 76 plus 47, your 10th term is going to be 123. So 123 is your answer. Right? Okay, let's look at the next question. The series 1, 1, 2, 3. So this is your regular Fibonacci sequence, right? It's again the sum of the two previous terms. You want to find the HCF of two consecutive terms being 5. You want to find the lowest n, right? Such that the HCF of Tn and Tn minus 1 is 5. Now think about it. You will find Tn by adding Tn minus 1 and Tn minus 2. If Tn is a multiple of 5 and Tn minus 1 is a multiple of 5, then obviously Tn minus 2 should also be a multiple of 5. Using this reasoning, we can say that Tn minus 3 should also be a multiple of 5 because I find Tn minus 1 by adding these two. Right? And I can keep doing this till we reach the first term, that T1 has to be a multiple of 5. Has to be a multiple of 5, right? Which is not true. We know T1 is 1. So this is never going to be possible. So answer is none of these, right? In fact, if the first two terms are 1 and 1, then your Fibonacci sequence will always have HCF between two consecutive terms as 1, right? Hope this was helpful. This ends day 4. I'll go read a good book. You have a good day.